Hello, everybody. Oh crap! I almost closed up. Yes. Okay. Hello. Today I am going to just kind of be helping out with volume in geometry. So we're going to be going over the volume of squares, cubes, cylinders, prisms, things like that. So yeah, I guess I'll just get started now. And just a second, there's a wire in my way. Okay. Let's see. Alt GR. All right, let's get started. There we go. All right. Yes. So first, first I'm going to start. First, I'm going to start with cylinders. So volume. Oh, that is horrible. Uh, I can't, I can't remember how to spell cylinder. Now this makes me look really dumb. Okay, it's volume of cylinders. So we have ourselves here a cylinder. This is horrible, but yeah, just ignoring my horrible drawing here. It's going to be a lot of that. So, volume of a cylinder. So, they should always either tell you the the diameter or the radius of the cylinder, and then they also have to tell you the height. So, say 62. And these are just random that I'm making up as uh just making up as we go. So yeah. So first things you're going to want to do is check your formula. So the formula for a cylinder is, let's get a different color. Volume equals, sorry, pi times the radius squared times height. Okay, so let's plug it in. Volume is equal to pi radius. So if they're going to give you only the diameter, just divide it by 2, obviously, and then you'll get the radius. Sorry, 6 squared, then times the height, so 62. 62. If I open up my calculator here, okay, here it is. What? Okay. So if I open up my calculator here, we can press second, the up button to get pi, the radius, which is 6 squared, parentheses for 62. Enter, and here is our volume of the cylinder. So let's say this is in inches. I'm just gonna see if I can, yeah. Oh, that didn't work. Okay. Um, okay, well, leave it there for now. So, where's my pen's not working now. Okay. So the volume, this is, let's say this is in inches, inches, inches. Okay, so that means the volume is equal to 7,012, and they're probably going to ask most likely for to the nearest tenth, so it's just going to be 0. You always have to put 0 even if it's 0. Let's see. There we go. 0.0 inches cubed. And you're going to want to make sure it's cubed because this is 3-dimensional. Okay. Next, shape. So say we have volume of cubes. This is the easiest one. There we go. It's a lot neater this time. So this one we have a cube. And we have dotted lines. Okay. So volume of a cube. So if it's cube, that means every side has to be equal. So let's use 9 for example. So 9 centimeters. That means all the sides are equal to 9 centimeters. So all we have to do here is just take 9 and cube it, and we move that. So 9, the up arrow here. Why is it not typing? 9. 9. um, oh boy. Okay. Well, this is going so good so far. Oh boy. All right, let's try that again. T-I... There we go. Okay. Also, if my throat is like raspy or my voice, I have a lisp or whatever, I just got my wisdom teeth out. So yeah, that's fun. Okay. Back to business. So now we have 9. You're going to do the up arrow to get into that exponent. And then you can just press any button. 3. So 9 cubed. Enter. That's 729. So volume equals 729 centimeters cubed. And you want to make sure that you cube it for volume. Volume is always... Actually, let's put a different color for always. Always. Oops. Oh boy. Some interesting handwriting we got going on today. So yeah, volume is always cubed. We want to make sure it's always cubed. Let's see. What else? So that's a cube. Okay, so now I just remembered something. They might be rude and put different units on the diagram than they're going to ask for in the question. So say the question is find the volume of cylinder P. Find the volume of cylinder P in cubic feet. Okay. And then they might be rude and go over here and cylinder. And then they might label it with inches. So there you go. So how are we going to convert these inches to feet? Obviously 12 inches, that's one, actually let me use a different color. 12 inches, that's 1 foot. But 3 inches, that's going to be kind of difficult, right? Wrong. All you have to do is just divide the amount of inches. So 3 inches divided by 12. And there you go. That's going to give us our decimal or whole number of a foot. So it's 0.25 feet. So 0.25 feet. And there you go. So now you're just going to apply that to the formula from before. Volume is equal to pi r squared, r, not f, pi r squared times height. So let's plug it in. All we should have to do now, let's switch colors. Hi. What are you doing? Nothing. Oh. What are you talking about? Self. Really? I'm recording a video. Can you go?
Oh.
When are we leaving?
Ready?
When?
Whenever you're ready.
Give me like 5 minutes.
Okay.
Can you close the door? Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, be gentle. Whatever. Okay. Let's go back here. My father saw me doing math. I would kill myself because, whatever, start now. So, anyways, sorry for the interruption there. Volume is equal to pi radius, which is 0.25 squared times our height, which is 1. So now we're just going to oops. Sorry. Wrong tab. Okay. Let's get rid of that. So just going to pull up the calculator here. So now we're going to do second up arrow to get the pi. Then we want the radius, so 0.25 squared. 0.25 squared. Sorry. 0.25 squared times 1, so we don't even need to write it. And there is our volume in feet. So 0.2 cubic feet. So the volume equals 0.2 feet cubed. And there we go. There you have it. Let's try that with the prism. Let me just erase this. Actually, forget that. New page. And I hit close. Well, there we go. Okay. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. What was the other one? We have prisms and spheres. We got a whole thing so we could do the volumes of. So let's do a cone. Let's do a right circular cone. So, in order to do that, I'm just going to do a little triangle and there. You guys can imagine that, I hope. And so, just for those of us who aren't here, volume of, what is that? Volume of right. There we go. So, how do we know this is right? Here is our height, and here is a little right angle box. So there we go. It's a right cone. And the volume is going to be equal to 1/3. So 1 divided by 3 pi pi times r squared times height. And we don't need this parenthesis here, so ignore that. How do I make this smaller? Look at that. Just like that. There we go. So it's going to be 1/3 pi r squared times the height. So, oh, come on. There we go. So let's pull up the calculator here. And we're going to want to do... Oh, wait, I didn't plug it in. I didn't even make... I didn't even make a number. All right, so we label this, do gray. So the height is going to be equal to 15 inches, and make it difficult on us. The radius is going to be, actually, no. Let's do the diameter. Oops. Equal to 2 feet. There we go. So 2 feet here, 15 inches here. Let's just convert that. The radius is going to be equal to 1 foot or 12 inches. And let's say it's asking for inches. There we go. So 12 inches here, 15 inches here. Oops. So we're going to want to plug this in. So 1/3, 1 divided by 3 times pi. And then the radius, which is 12 inches, so 12 squared. And then times the height, which is 15. Enter. Give us our answer, 2261.9. So this is going to be volume is equal to 2261.9 inches cubed. And I'm really stressing about the cubes thing because I got in a lot of trouble for that. So yes, make sure you cube everything. Everything needs to be cubed. Wait, can I go to the other page? Oh my god, I can. So cute. So cute. Anyways. Now, let's do a pyramid. Volume, how to find the volume of a pyramid. Volume of... That's an R. What am I doing? Volume of pyramids. And I forgot the E again. Having a bad day today. Okay, so say we have a 3, and this is 3-sided. So we have a little pyramid. And please don't mind my really bad drawing. Oops. Yeah, it's really bad. I know. Don't judge me, please. All right. So. Oh wow, this is worse than I thought. Anyways, so the volume is going to be equal to, let's do gray. Volume is equal to 1/3 again. And then we want big B. So make sure this is big B times H. So volume is equal to 1/3 big BH. And what does this big B mean? Big B means the area. That's what this is. So, how do we find the area of the triangle? Well, so the area of the triangle, A of the triangle, is equal to 1/2 or half base times height. And that's just the base length, actually, so I'm gonna just redo the whole thing there. So it was 1/2 of regular B, because it's only a line, and then times the height. So here we go. I keep forgetting to label again. All right. So the height is going to be 12 inches, And the base is going to be, what's it going to be? It's going to be 20 inches. And then we're also going to need the size of the triangles here. So we're going to have let's also make it 15 inches. So this is going to be 15 inches. So now we have 15 times 20. So 15 times 20. That's equal to 300. So the big B, our big B is equal to 300. So then we have our height. So again, volume is equal to 1/3 300 times 12. So there we go. 1 divided by 3 times, 300 times 12. And that's going to equal 1200. And I just closed that. Great. So volume of this pyramid is equal to 1200. Isn't that something else? There we go. I have to go to dinner now, so I'm going to pause this. Oh, it's recording. So just got back from dinner, and I will continue now. Eraser. This sounds like, okay, this is better. All right. So, we got pyramids. All right, perfect. So next, let's do spheres. Where is it? Volume. Okay. Wait. Yeah, I got that right. What is that? Volume of spheres. There. I'm sorry for my very bad handwriting. All right. So volume of spheres. Here we go. So let me draw a sphere. How am I gonna draw this? Well, pretend that's a sphere. Let's make it blue. There's our sphere. And the formula is volume is equal to 4 divided by 3, or 4/3, times pi cubed, or pi r cubed, sorry. Pi times radius cubed. There we go. So let's say our radius is 22 centimeters. All right. So volume equals 4 divided by 3 pi 22 cubed. Let's see, did I close my calculator? I did. All right. All right. So all we have to do is, these are all just plug and chug, as they call it, as my teachers call it, at least. So all we gotta do is parenthesis 4 divided by 3, second up for pi, then 22 up 3 for cubed. And there's our answer. 44,602.2. So 44,602.2. Volume equals 44,602.2. And then that's going to be in centimeters. Actually, let me do red. centimeters cubed. Again, we want to make sure this is cubed. Very important for volume. All right. I think there was. I sound like I'm far away. Um. Yeah. Oh, I also forgot the square pyramids. So let's see if I have any more room. I do. All right. Volume. Pressing my little buttons here. Volume of four sided pyramid. Sorry if my audio is like cutting out. I have a filter on, but supposed to make it sound better. There we go. This wire is in my way. All right. So, volume of a four-sided pyramid. Here we go. Let's see if I could draw this. This can be rectangular or square. Let's say this is just a square, because yeah. All right. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. Wow, you can even see that. Do a different color. All right. Volume of a four-sided pyramid. Let's say this side here is 9 and 9. And then our height is going to be 20. And this is all in inches. So I'm just going to do a little. Oops. Just delete that. Inches. Okay. This is all in inches. So here's our four-sided pyramid, and our formula is going to be, oh, let me cut that out. Our formula is going to be for volume. Volume is equal to 1 divided by 3, or 1/3, times length times width times height. So LWH. So let's just plug it in. Volume equals 1 divided by 3 times the length, which is 9, the width, which is 9, and the height, which is 20. If we plug that into our calculator here, we're going to have 1 divided by 3 times 9 times, oops. Actually, I think I can just, oh wait, never mind. 1 divided by 3 times 9 times 9 times 20. Not, oh, wait. Forgot my parenthesis over here. Oh, God. Okay, second insert. Oh, there we go. So the volume of our, of our four-sided pyramid is, let's say, 540. So volume equals 540 inches cubed. Yep. All right, let's see if I can undo that. That cubed in red, because you need to cube it. Very important. All right. That appears to be everything on my list here. Um, and then we also have just regular prisms. So yes, rectangular boxes. Make a new page. Boop boop boop. All right. So, what in the world? What the? uh, okay, that was weird. All right, there we go. So let me go here, and so I'm gonna do volume of prisms. This applies to rectangular prisms. Yeah, that's it. Just rectangular. So let's say we have this, and this, and this. Oh dear God. Let's see if we can do a different color here. Oh boy. All right, well, that seems like it's as good as it's gonna get. So I'm just gonna swap to dark green. Let's say really like 9. So let's do 9, 9, and 32. So now we're just gonna, first thing we're gonna do is find the area of our base here. So that's just gonna be 9 times 9 squared because you're finding the area. So do pink. Area of the cube is equal to, or not cube, square. To B for base. Just so I know. Always want to label everything. This is like over labeling, but whatever. Is equal to 9 times 9. And we go to our calculator. That's 81. Sorry, no calculator. 81. Let's say inches again. Inches squared. And now our formula for the volume is going to be volume is equal to big B times height, or BH. Let's see. There we go. Base times height. So volume equals 81 times 32. 32. And so 81 times 32, 2592. And it's really and I just closed that. Oh no, 25, 90. I don't remember what it was. 81, no, not 80. 81 times 32. 2592. So that equals 2592. Volume is equal to 2592 inches. Do pink. Inches cubed for volume. And there is our answer. That appears to be it. So yeah, I hope this helped in any way. I will have a link, Google Drive link to these notes here. Just going to delete that. I'm sorry for sniffling. And yeah, have a great night. If I could get to OBS. No, not my Amazon. Oh boy. Yeah, there's no information on there, hopefully. So yeah, have a wonderful night, you guys, or night for me. Hope this helped. Get out of here, window. What is it? Okay. Bye.